Hi, it's Tyree with that Foundation Repair. Here again with another, we're doing a pier job here over in North Lincoln. Um, we also have, we have 8 piers outside and we have 3 inside. The reason why we had to do these 3 inside is because this one here is actually directly under the porch. So we moved this to the inside, and those two, we have the gas and water over there, so we moved those inside as well. Doing the same job as it would on the outside, maybe even more. What we ran into here is the footing down here was a little inadequate. Like, it didn't come out enough, and it's a little higher up. So what we did was we poured an additional footing onto that and attached it to it, pegged it into the original footing. That way we have a better structure to push off of, and also so that we can lower our brackets so it's not above the floor when we pour this back. So that just goes to show that no matter what problem we run into, we always have a solution here at EP. So give us a call if you need any help.